Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add an internet calendar to Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load in all your emails and give you access to the full range of Outlook features, including the calendar functionality we'll be working with today. Once your email has loaded and you can see your inbox, navigate to your calendar menu. You'll find the calendar icon located on the bottom left part of your screen. Go ahead and click on it to access your calendar view. This is where all your events, meetings, and appointments are organized, and it's also where you'll be able to manage external calendars. Now that your calendar menu has opened, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. Look for the Manage Calendar section. This area contains various options for customizing and expanding your calendar setup. From here, you'll see a drop-down labeled Open Calendar. Click on it to reveal additional options that allow you to import calendars from different sources. From the list of options that appears, click on From Internet. This specific option is designed for adding calendars that are hosted online, such as public holiday calendars, sports team schedules, or shared work calendars. A calendar subscription window will now appear on your screen. In this window, simply paste or type in your calendar URL. This is the web address of the internet calendar you want to subscribe to, and it typically ends in .ikl or .ics format. Once you've entered the URL, click on OK, and that's it. You've successfully added an internet calendar to your Outlook, allowing you to stay updated with external schedules and events directly within your own calendar view. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.